Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did one eye off camera. I primed my lids and I also did my eyebrows off camera. For brows, I used the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the shade 3. To set my eyebrows, I used the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. To prime my lids, I used the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light. For eyeshadows, I use like a mix of different palettes, so I'll show you as I'm doing them. And yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right in. So the first palette I'm gonna jump to is the Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette, and I'm gonna go into Fresh Meat. And for this, I'm gonna grab like a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. All right, so I'm just going to go in, and I'm gonna go above the crease. Go into a different palette. This one is Boss Mood, the 35M from Morphe. It's Transformer. It is like a dark purple shade, and I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. Take some of this Giorgio Armani eye makeup remover, and I'm just gonna clean off wherever I'm going to cut the crease. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take some of this It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light. So the next palette I'm going to go into is this Morphe 35H Hotspot. I am going to go into Pool Floaty and into Ocean Drive. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go into is Pool Floaty. And now I'm just gonna start blending both of these blue shades together. I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with the dark shade that I used on my crease, and just grab like a smaller brush and start adding it to the corner and also blending at the same time. So now I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Black Track and line my lids. Alright guys, so while I was off camera, I went ahead and put on my lashes. For lashes, I used the same brand, the Kala. I used the ones that are named Rogue. For foundation, I used the Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless in the shade 312. For setting powder, I used the Patrick Star Max Setting Powder. For concealer, I used the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light. I used the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Light Medium. And for lips, I used the lipstick from Bobbi Brown in Bare Pink. And I used the Cork Lip Liner. For bronzer, I used the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm going to go back in with the Blood Sugar palette, and we're going to go again on with the Fresh Meat shade.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't.
I'm also going to go back in with the 35N Boss Mood palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna go back into this shade, which is Transformer, and I'm gonna take this closer to the lash line. So I'm also going to take some black kohl liner, and I'm also going to take some of this Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight and use that as a brow bone highlight. So now for blush, I'm going to go into this Note Desert Rose. This is in shade 05. So for highlight, I'm gonna go into the Gilded Honey from Laura Geller. I'm also gonna add some of the bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna use the Essence False Lash Effect. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!